Hey y'all, Iric Guy here, back again with another backpacking tip. And this is how to dry your Rainfly for your tent. And what I do, I just find a tree that already, I don't break limbs, but already has a broken limb. And I hang this on there. If you've got two trees close by, it's better because it can kind of stick out and stretch out rather and blow more in the wind. But there wasn't any rain last night, just a little bit of dew. So this will dry out fine like it is. And again, always important to dry your gear before packing and moving on to the next day hiking. Because if you don't, you can it can dry rot, it can stink, and it'll make the it'll negatively impact the lifespan of your gear. So hope this video is of value. If it was, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a good day.
Hey y'all, Iric Guy here. Thanks again for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. If you're looking for Iric Guy's Adventure Channel merch, like this t-shirt and a lot of other cool stuff, expand this video's description. You can find it all there. Y'all have a good day.